You're watching WMBD This Morning.
Welcome back. You can shop for some unique artwork made by local artists at the Forest Park Nature Show. Here to tell us a little bit more this morning, we've got Christy Shoemaker. Thank you so much for joining us bright and early.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. And there's some folks that maybe haven't gotten a head start on their holiday shopping, and you guys have an opportunity for them to do that in a pretty unique way. What's the format going to be looking like?
So we have the Nature Art Show and Sale going on right now through December 31st, anytime the Nature Center is open, and it features about 17 different local artists whose work ranges from painting to photography, wood carving, ceramics, all different types of media. So it's a really unique gift location.
And you had mentioned something interesting about sustainability is another component in some of these?
Yeah, so a lot of the artists use either reclaimed materials, recycled materials, so that plays into the nature aspect of it as well.
Very good. So they're doing nature. You guys obviously have nature as a big component of what you do. This is not the first year, but you've got some unique components as well. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we have some returning favorite artists this year, as well as a few new artists. There's a person that's making recycled mittens out of old sweaters. There's someone that's making trays, serving trays out of old cabinet doors. So there are some new fun things to look at, as well as our favorite artists that have been back this year.
Well, so many people find it kind of difficult sometimes to do the holiday shopping.
Yeah.
And so for those folks that may just need a little bit of inspiration to see, this sounds like it's got everything laid out for us.
Right, yeah, so you guys can come to the Nature Center. There is also our gift shop there as well. So if you're looking for something unique for someone that loves nature or art, it's a place to go to.
Fantastic. Okay, Christy, so you say 9 to 5 for most days, any day, any time that the center is open. So you've gotten all the way until the 31st. You guys got us covered.
Right.
Maybe for the folks that you forget on Christmas Day, you still got a little bit of buffer time as well to get some of that shopping done.
Yep. We also have our holiday shop and strolls coming up, and that's the 13th, 14th, and 20th. So if you can't make it to the Nature Center before 5 p.m., we will be open late on those dates.
Good deal, Christy.
Yep.
Thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you.
Again, we've got all the details right there on that screen right there, but we also have the details over on ciproud.com. If you're interested, you can visit that website there. Let's check in now with meteorologist